So yeah, first let's talk about I prepared some, you know, let me remove it, yeah. So this one, also other ones. So guys, I prepared one project here, guys, so I want to show you how it works. Let me show you guys here. For example, when I go to localhost and block KZ, this is block KZ, okay, not block in English. It's okay, just I will just give this code for you, okay. This is from Kazakh groups. So guys, let's see. First I will go to my register page, okay. In my register page I added this uploading file. First I want to show how to upload a file, okay. It can be any kind of file, like not only images, but here I'm showing with the images. So how it works, first guys, let's first test, for example, Rustem, yeah. This is a registration, guys. If I try to upload some, if I try to upload TXT file, for example, not PNG or JPEG, not image. So if I register, it says file should be PNG, JPG, or something. Okay, so we can have some errors also for the files. Yeah. So again, if I put Rustem, and I upload some file. Let's see. I should have some files here. Images. Do I have some files here now? I don't have any files. So let me just take some files, guys. What is avatar long? Let's say avatar. Oh my. Let's see. Let me take one, guys. This is Rustem. I think it's more like looks like Rustem. Okay. And this more like looks like someone. Who? Arman? Why Arman? Arman, he's joking. So if I take the file from Izobrazhenia, Rustem, for example, register. So if I go to Rustem gmail.com, yeah, I have this Rustem here. Okay, just I put, yeah, I didn't make it so beautiful, and just I put here, okay, to show you quickly. I have some mistake here, but we will solve it, okay. We will fix it. Doesn't matter. So also in database, you can see, guys, in the users table for the Rustem, we also have what? For the Rustem, we have the name of the PNG file, okay. Also, it's saved where? It's saved in our project, guys. In our project, it's saved in images, avatars, and this one. This is me. Here is the Rustem, but the file name is this one. File name is not just Rustem PNG. I also added some seconds, some current seconds, like with the time function. I'll show you now. Okay. So let's talk. Let's see, guys, how it works. Okay. First, in your registration form, I cannot speak so loud, guys. Sorry. This is your register form PHP. Yeah? And here we have inside the form, guys. Inside the form, I added also one field. Said it's an input type file, guys. It should be input type file, as you know, yeah. You have to give also some name, and the same as I do with other input fields, I can show the errors for session error avatar. Okay. You see, if the same guys, you remember about the errors of confirm password? I have errors and password. The same I have errors for avatar. Okay, like under the input of avatar.
Are you recording?
Yes. Hi, I'm recording this one. So this should be input type file with the name avatar. But also, guys, if you want to in your form, if you want to submit the files also, add the send the files. Also, you should add inside your form tag. You should add this one. Enc type is equal to multi-part format. This is something about the encryption type. So you can send the files also. Not only some data like name, email, also plus files. Okay. Okay. Is it clear? If you don't add this, you cannot send files. Okay. So in register PHP, what we have, guys, in the register PHP, when we check the passwords and etc., we have also one array, global array. You know how many global arrays we have, like post, get, cookie, session, etc. Also, we have a global array, yeah, files. In these files, what is stored the information about the file that was uploaded, guys. Okay, yeah. So first, let me take it. Let me comment everything here first, guys. Let me show what is inside files. Okay, so I will do what? Let me do prayer. Okay, let me see what is inside my array files after I do what? Registration, yeah. So I go here, let me log out, let me go to register page, and let me register with mirror first. Okay, mirror. We don't have mirror, yeah, I think in my so if I upload one file, the file name is girl.png, guys. Okay, you see the file name is girl.png. I just named it like this. So if I register, this is the information that we have inside our files, guys. Files array, global array, yeah. So what we have here, this name comes from where? This is input type. This is input type files name. You remember name avatar, yeah. So here, guys, we have an array. Name of our file. Full path is also quite the same as a name. Type, guys, type of the file. If you send video files, it will be what? Something like a video, move, or yeah, MP4 and etc. But the main thing is here, guys. When you upload a file, server does what? Server takes this file and save it as a temporary file inside XMPP, guys. Web server, the Apache takes your file and saves it here as a temporary file. Okay, so in a code, guys, now we have to do what? We have to take it from here and save it to our project's folder. The image, I mean. Okay, the image is now here. Okay, errors, we have no errors, and the size is in bytes. Size of this PNG file, size of this file. Okay, so it means like what? Something like 6 kilobytes. Because this is in bytes. Okay, we can just see, guys, we can just go and see. Also, guys, if I enter this avatar, why it's not saved, guys, because we stopped the programming. Let me see, guys, the size of this girl PNG. If I go and see the settings, you see, guys, the size. Can you see? No, you cannot see it. It says 6,312 bytes. Okay, the same here, yeah? 6,312 bytes. This is in bytes, okay? Okay, guys? Yeah? So what we do next, let me just remove it again. So let's see, let's talk about all of the things one by one, okay? So what I do, inside avatar, guys, I take this files avatar. From my array, I take the avatar. So what is it? From my array, I take this the value for this avatar key, yeah. So I take this array. So I take this array and save into avatar, guys. So avatar is what? Avatar is an array, yeah, guys. Yeah. Maybe you know this. You know this, or you want me to explain? Is it okay if I explain? Yeah. Just it takes some time, guys. So I will take a time, guys. What you know at the time? What this time function do? This is a function from PHP. This did you learn the C++, guys? in C++ we also have some function that gives us the time in seconds from 1970 year. From 1970, from 1st January, it counts how many seconds passed and gives us as a seconds. Just time, showing time in seconds, okay? If you can just see, guys, let me show you. Let me create something here, new file. Check time PHP, okay? Will I just do what? Okay, let's see echo time, what it will do. This is how many seconds left from some moment, okay, like 331. But if I do it again after like 10 seconds, it should be 41, yeah, 42. No, how many seconds left? Again, 45. You see? So how many seconds? Yeah, we have currently. You see, guys, yeah. So what I'm doing here, I'm taking some time. So let's say time is equal to what? Just let me write some the values. Let's say time is equal to some of this some seconds, okay? Then what I do, guys? I say I create some avatar name variable and say that it's what? Equal to this time. So this one plus and add join it with what? With avatar's name. What is avatar name? Is this one name girl PNG. So I take and join them together. So my the name for my picture, the name for the image will be not girl PNG but this long name. Why we do this, guys? How do you think? Why we need to add some seconds before the name of the picture?
Because it will have some more.
Yeah, two guys can upload the same file like girl PNG, okay, or avatar PNG for example. I think many guys who can upload the files like avatar PNG, okay. So there will be many files avatar PNG, and your face not your face, someone's face, yeah, for example, because he also uploaded, okay. That's why you can put something here, yeah. So so you can be sure that the images are different. Yeah, someone can ask if they upload in the same time. If two guys upload the same picture name in the same time, in the same second, guys. So then instead of this, you can put the email of this guy. Yeah. Instead of time, you can put email. So I think email will be different. Yeah, exactly, guys. Yeah. So then, guys, what? I take avatar temp name. What is avatar temp name is equal to, guys? Then I take from avatar this temp name. Okay. So this is the file, our file that is equal. Our file, I mean our picture is here, guys, as a temporary file. Yeah? As I said, you guys. Yeah. Physically, our picture is this one. It's like some temporary file. Okay. In server, it uploads it here. So let me just put it here. Okay. Then what? Avatar destination path is equal to what, guys? Avatar destination path is equal to images, avatars, and join it with avatar name. My avatar name is this one, so you can just imagine that I'm doing this one, guys, like this one. This is how I want to save it. I want to save it into images, avatars, and with this name. Is it clear? But first, guys, you have to create these folders. You have to go to your project. Okay. Go to HTTP, XMPP, htdocs to your project. You have to create images folder, then avatars folder, and be ready to take it here. If you don't create the folders, you cannot save it. Okay. Then what, guys? Here I'm doing some checkings. You see, the array of allowed files. Allowed is PNG, JPG, and etc. Yeah. Extension. What is extension? You know about explode, guys? This is function from PHP. It takes your avatar name. What's your avatar name? Let me take avatar name, this one, yeah? It takes your avatar name, and by this by this symbol, guys, it explodes. Explode mean it finds this symbol, yeah, and divides by this symbol. Divide your name of PNG by this symbol. So this will be the first element. So this will be inside array, guys. Now it's inside array, guys. Like this will be the first element. This will be the second element. Inside array, you have now two elements. Okay. Explode will divide your string with some divider, divider, and it will put all values into array, guys. So this will be the zeros index array, yeah, value for the array is zero index. This is value inside array for the index 1, guys. Okay, okay. Why we're doing this? So I want to take only PNG to check.
You said that we can upload the files also.
Yeah, any files. Yeah.
Can we like pass on the images in avatar? Like we don't have access to upload files because that's bad for safety. Like file upload some hacking.
Okay. So I'm checking. You see I'm checking the extensions here. So I'm trying to check extension here. You mean this one or?
Yeah.
So I'm checking. I'm trying it. Just listen. So I take the avatar name. I divide it into two strings. Yeah, two strings like the name and the PNG. Then this function and guys. This means what? It takes from this array, guys. This is array, guys. Extension. Yeah, it takes the last element. So it takes the PNG. So extension after this one, extension is equal to PNG, guys. Just normally, extension is equal to string PNG. Okay. Yeah. So I divide it into array and take the last element PNG and save it into extension. And then what I do, I say if my extension exists in allowed files. Okay. It's like this PNG should be inside of this array, like. Okay. If it's inside this array, I do something else. If it's not inside the array, so I will into errors, into avatar, I will write this one. Should be PNG, JPG or JPEG and something. Okay? If it's okay, guys, with the extension, I go and check the avatar size. So it should be less than 1 megabyte. Avatar size is this one, yeah? This one. So you can also check the size, guys. You can check the extension, also check the size, okay? If it's less than 1 megabyte, so I use the PHP function move uploaded file. So what I do here, guys, I take it from avatar temp name. What's avatar temp name? This one, guys, you remember?
Yeah.
I take it from temporary file and save it as to the avatar destination, and I save it here to images, avatars, and with the name, like with this name. So I'm saving it to my project, guys. Is it clear? But if size is not okay, then I also do some error, like file size too big, should choose less than 1 megabyte, something like this. Okay. So one, that's all, guys. Also, I do what? What also I do, guys? I do this one. I take the avatar name, also put it. I mean, I will give it to register user function. Why? Because I want to save it in database. Okay, as avatar, guys. Okay? Yeah, so it will be saved in your database as this one, that's this avatar, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, questions about uploading file? No questions, yeah. So let me register the mirrored, guys, because I need 2 users to work with now. Password doesn't match, it says. Okay. Well, late, Kizet. You were late, yeah, before? Now it's okay. So, yeah, here's the mirrored, yeah? Yeah, looks like you. No questions here, guys, here, so I can continue. Other things. What else, guys? What else I have here? Let's see. what else I have here? Let's see, guys. One thing, guys, about let me go to index page. How many time we have? We have 15 minutes, yeah. So let's quickly, guys, finish it. So one thing I also added, guys, this one inside the index PHP, guys. If I go, let me go. You see, I am sitting with the account of Merwer, and you can see that I have no buttons like edit and delete for the post, because this is not my post. Yeah, this is not my post. This post I didn't create. So if I create my post, guys, if I do create and write something, let's do some. This is in Kazakh, okay? So let's see sport. What can we say about the sport, guys? Khairat played yesterday, yeah, as I know. Futsal, yeah. No, nobody saw. I think Khairat lost from Benfica. You don't see sport? Create, guys. So this is post from Merwert, yeah, about Khairat. So only your post, your own post, you can do what? Edit and delete, guys. Yeah. This is easy, guys. How you do this one? You just say inside index PHP, when you do for each with all posts, guys, yeah, you're doing for each with all posts, and you do what? If this post's outer ID, like user ID, is the same as currently sitting user's ID, currently sitting in his account user's ID, yeah. If this post was written by the currently sitting guy who is inside the account, only then show me edit and show me delete, guys, buttons, okay? But it can be hacked like this, yeah. You can go to edit here. When you press edit, you have what? Post ID 6, yeah. Yeah, this is your post, because post ID 6. Let's go and see. It's your post. It's your post, yeah. Here you see post ID 6 is Khairat Futsal. So this is your post. User ID is 11, guys. But what I can do, I can go to another post and take this ID, yeah, 5, yeah, and I can put this 5 ID here. I can put ID 5 here, and it will allow you to edit. But I also wrote some code, so I can check this one also. It doesn't allow me, because I wrote a code, guys. If you go to edit post form, this is the form of editing a post. I also check it, guys. I also check if this post user ID is not equal to the current user's ID. So send them to index PHP. Normally we have to send it with some message, guys. Like you cannot edit your the post that you didn't write, or etc. Okay. Okay. Also about searching, guys, you can add searchings. Let me show quickly. I added this thing, guys. I added the method search post, and it should look like this. You know about like, guys? Like in SQL you can put like. So you take some search, you take some word here that is searching. Yeah, let me show you guys. Here, what can I say? Let me edit this. Yeah, edit this, and I want to add Kazakhstan here. Okay, Kazakhstan. Edit this one. Let me add Kazakhstan also here. Edit. So if I enter Kazakhstan and press go, I have only the post with the Kazakhstan. It can be in the title or it can be in the text, guys. Okay. So how it works? Here comes some search word like Kazakhstan, and you do what? Select all from post where title is like search or content is like search, and instead of search you put Kazakhstan here. But it is something like this. So it means what? It means before you can put anything, after you can put anything, but there should be a Kazakhstan somewhere in the middle, or in the middle, like somewhere in the text. Okay, this is like how this like words. If you have search word keyword, if you don't have the search keyword, then select all posts. Okay. Okay, guys, are you here with me? And the last one, guys, last one about admin, guys. When the user logs in, this is login PHP, guys. I also check for his role. If his role is a user, I send him to index PHP. If his role is, for example, not user, I send him to index admin PHP. Okay. But user, you can think like this. User can go to, some user logs in, goes to index PHP, and then types index admin PHP in the browser URL, for example. Then in index admin PHP, I have not checked out PHP. This is index admin PHP, guys. This is some admin page. I just said this is admin page, just okay. Instead of doing check out PHP, I did check admin PHP, where you also check the admin, guys. Okay. If the user is set and the user role is admin, only then I take it. If he's not admin, I send him to index PHP, so he cannot enter. Okay. So if you try to let me just show you. I will change the mirror and make you as admin, guys. The mirror, I'll make you admin. Okay. So when mirror logs in, just let us do it again, guys. When she logs in, she will go to some another page. Okay. Okay. She also can go to index page. Okay. No, because she can be as a user. She can be as an admin, as a user, guys. But if somebody other guy logs in, like Rustem, yeah, Rustem is just a user, guys. Yeah, he's just a user, guys. So if you put here admin index, yeah, or index admin, sorry, index admin. So you cannot enter index admin. It will send you back to index PHP again because you are not admin. Okay. Okay, something like this you can do. And admins they can have not, guys, admins they can have not nav PHP but nav admin PHP, because in his navigation there can be other menu elements. Okay, so here you can see when I log by mirror, I have other things here: create categories, admin home, etc. Not the user's navigation. This is admin's navigation. Okay, is it clear, guys? So I will send you this project, okay? But after I finish with the many to many in the second lesson. Okay?